Check it out, motherfuckers. It's raining letters. What are your feelings about the raining letters, Aaron?
So entertaining. Look, it's raining upwards!
Ah! Are they going to come back down again?
It's going to pause and go.
I think it just stopped.
But it said Christmas. Oh, yeah, that's where it says Happy Christmas.
Alright, I'm going to let it go to 50 seconds and I'll turn it off.
Can I yawn safely now?
Yeah, go on. Okay, now you can.